What I'm trying to achieve here with OneNote is a completely paperless system. So it should say 13 MES, but I've made my 10 Mat class into a class notebook, and I've downloaded this thing for OneNote so that I can use it as a notebook, class notebook. And in here, I've just put in the course information and what I'm interested in. What I'm interested in here, Janet, is if you can come and edit this page or not. I suspect that you can't, but I suspect that you can see it, which straight away introduces a problem because I've set up another page here with grades, and this is really supposed to be teacher-only view, and I wonder if I can make sure that the students cannot see this, but Janet, in this case, you're a student, so I'm interested to see if you can see this, and I don't think you can edit it, but something I'm interested in is to get this file, which is the file that you did for me, I just came across to your name and I literally went highlight, Control C, came up a level and pasted it into here. I did it a few times. So the thing I'm interested in is if you go and edit that document now, does it update on this document or not? Because I don't want students to be able to write on their documents after the time is up, the deadline is met. So that's one issue I need to figure out. And I've also made Raquel a teacher in this particular document. So it'll be interesting to see what she can and can't see. Well, I presume she can see exactly the same as me, and I presume she can also edit these pages. So she could come and do the moderation of, say, 2 or 3 or 5 of my students that I've set up here. The collaboration space over here is where everyone can edit, student and teacher. Come back up a level. The content library is a place that only I can put all my resources, and I can add pages and folders and things like that. And then students can't edit, but they can copy from my library of resources. And that's sort of where I'm up to. Just there is this added complication of being able to access this thing online. Well, it's not complication, it's quite good because it means I can use it at home or anywhere in the world actually. In Fiji on the beach, no. But something I just looked at in here is if you go to File and you look at the sharing settings, this is sort of where it tells me who's can edit and who can't. So shared with Raquel and Janet at the moment, shared with, and Raquel has full control. Janet can just view. I'm the owner, so this is just an interesting place to see who has what editing rights, because I suspect that we'll each set one of these up for our own classes and we'll each get each other full control of each other's classes, so we can come in and steal resources off each other or do the moderation process like I've just explained. So the only thing, you also got to see how that button edit in OneNote, it's seeming to me that it automatically updates. So if I come back to here, or if I come into here and write something here, course information, yeah, just the updating issue. Sometimes it updates, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it takes a while, but if it doesn't update, oh, maybe I have to click out or something. You click that button and that will push it through. And I'm actually in course information now. Oh, there it is there, look, right in the way. So it updates in both directions from the desktop version 2. So if I wrote hello 2 here, I think it updates back the other way too. There you go. So it updates both ways reasonably effortlessly. Sometimes I have to push that button to make it work. That's where I'm up to. Yeah, we'll have to keep playing and figure out how to use this thing. Hope you had a good day, Raquel.